All right, welcome back, everybody. Today is opening day. Did you know? Are you familiar? Yep, I am a Timbers fan. Boom. When I root for the Timbers. Opening day, that means March is near and spring is near. So that means finals is near. So here we go. Today's the 27th and we're going to start on our project. This is essentially a 2-week project, although we want to cut here on the 8th and get it done. And then assemble and present on the 13th. Okay. So, and then we have finals here. So this is it, project time. So let's talk about the project. This is AutoCAD, so you got to draw it in AutoCAD. That usually means that it's going to be a 2-dimensional drawing. You can design anything you want, absolutely anything you want. For the folks that can't come up with something that they want to do, then I have given you an idea. So if you go to week 8 and today, actually Wednesday, today is the 27th, so there is a project optional idea. So this optional idea is a desk lamp. Your desk lamp needs to be complicated enough for a week and a half's worth of work. So I'm thinking like 10 hours in AutoCAD is what it should take. So, I mean, this could take a while to design and then also create the layouts, the fully dimensioned package that I want in AutoCAD, and then also the cut patterns. So, you know, it doesn't have to be a lot more complicated than this, but it just needs to take up enough time for a week and a half, essentially, right? And what I'm going to want is I'm going to want a layout for each part. So that's a lot of layouts, right? I mean, all these parts are probably the same. So I don't need a layout for each one of those. I need one of those, one of those, one of those, one of those, and one of those, right? A fully dimensioned, to scale layout of each part. And then, and then I want an assembled view layout. So that would be this view, not 3-dimensional, just 2-dimensional, and then some overall dimensions, right? Just overall dimensions. The desk lamp project, you can take a look at the kit here. I have these. So that's the advantage of doing this kind of project is I'm just going to hand you the light bulb and the cord and you're going to create a desk lamp. So, or anything else that you want. Maybe you want to do something different than a desk lamp. I don't know what, but that would use the light, right? But if you want to build something else like that you've thought about that is interesting to you, you know, I don't know, some kind of a stand to hold something at your house or anything, really anything you want that's complicated enough for you to figure out all the AutoCAD pieces, create all of the layouts, and then also a cut pattern to cut it out and see that it works. That's what I'm looking for. So, all right. So the material we're going to use is this 11x17 mat board. It's the pretty thin stuff. It's a 16th. I think I put down 0.065. Yeah, that's a 16th. Potentially, you know, you can layer it to get a little thicker cross sections if you want. So you could cut a couple pieces and then we could glue them up and you'd get a thicker piece. So you can have more than one, like more than one 11x17. I'm totally okay with that. I do have some we have plastic still, and I'm willing to let you use plastic if you want to go for that. So you can look at those materials on Wednesday and decide what you want to use. I do have a new lens in the laser cutter. It cuts very nice, so hopefully we won't have cut problems. But yeah, I'm going to want a sketch by 3/1. So I think that's Wednesday of your project, at least a concept sketch. So just a hand sketch of what you're hoping to do. And if it's a desk lamp, then just sketch me up a little basic desk lamp. I just want you thinking about it between now and Wednesday so we can get rolling on it Wednesday. I have made you produce a time card in the past on this project just to make sure we're getting enough hours in. And I'm also curious about how much time you're going to spend on it. And you should be curious about how much time, because at some point when you go to work, that's the first thing they're going to ask you is, how long will it take you to draw this? And if you've not done any estimating on how long it's going to take, then you really don't know, right? Or if you haven't tracked it. So on this project, I want you to track your time and how long it takes, and not just the whole project, but each piece. So like when you do the layout of this piece right here in AutoCAD, fully dimensioned with title block and all the information, how long did that take, right? And then this piece, how long did that take? And then this piece, how long did that take, right? I want you to break it down into individual pieces. And then that's logging it as you go. But I also want, in the very beginning, when you decide what project you're going to do, I want you to estimate how many hours it's going to take. And then again, there's no grading for this. If your estimate's way off, that's fine. This is how you build knowledge on how long it takes to do something, right? So estimate the project all the way out. How long do you think it'll take to assemble it? How long do you think it'll take to, draw the cut pattern? How long do you think it'll take to draw all the details? How long do you think it'll take to draw the assembled view and overall dimensions of the assembled view? So, all right, get to thinking about it, and come Wednesday with some ideas, either online or in person. I'll put up an area online for you to submit your project proposals. So we'll call it that. And that should be a sketch. So, all right, happy snow day. I did flake out on you today because 2 hours late meant I didn't have to come for the morning class. And then I'm like, I'm not coming for one class. That's probably going to take an hour. So yeah, I flaked out on you. Sorry about that. But Wednesday, we'll see you all in person, hopefully. And we'll do the morning class and the advanced AutoCAD class, which is what this is. All right. Take care. Have a good couple days. See you on Wednesday.